Today I'll be showing you guys how you guys can play Please Donate in Roblox mobile. So it's pretty simple. So after you open the Roblox app on your mobile, you need to log in into your accounts. And then at the top you can see the little search icon, click on it. From over here just search for Please Donate. Once you search for Please Donate, the first game where it says Please Donate by Hamza3MN, click on it. Once you click on it, at the bottom you can see the green little button, click on it. And it's going to take you inside the Please Donate game. From over here, you can find yourself a stall and open yourself a stall so you guys can set yourself up a Please Donate button. So I'm inside the game. Now I need to find an empty stall which hasn't been used. So let me do that real quick. So as you guys can see, this stall has not been used. I need to just go near the stall and just hold on this button called Stand Claim. Hold on it and the stand will be claimed. And all the things which you have put on sale is going to be shown over here. And in order to sell stuff over here, you need to create a game pass. In order to do that, we have made a video on our channel on how you guys can do it. So you can watch that video. But yeah, so that's how you guys can play Please Donate in Roblox mobile. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide. I'll see you guys in my future video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day, everybody. Peace out.